And we are back. Capsule wardrobe, worth it or not? Welcome back, it's CrystyleCouture here. Today we are finally addressing capsule wardrobe. The minimalist, super efficient, great cost per wear capsule wardrobe. So let's start with what is a capsule wardrobe. Wikipedia says capsule wardrobe is a small collection of clothes that can be put together in different ways and includes everything you need to wear. The aim of the capsule wardrobe is to have a suitable outfit for any occasion without having an excessive amount of items in your closet. That definition leaves a lot of room for interpretation, a lot of subjective there, but if you go on Pinterest, YouTube, you'll find people creating like 60 outfits with 15 pieces and 100 outfits with 20 pieces, all kinds of extremes. Today we're going to use this general outline of a capsule wardrobe to see what we can come up with. Now you have to stay all the way to the end to see exactly how many outfits we made. Let's start by shopping our closet and looking to see what we have and then filling the holes accordingly. The overall purpose of this capsule wardrobe would be to get better cost per wear clothes that's actually in your closet and save our money, for more fun things. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you like this kind of content, because that really helps me out. Today with the cars. Let's start with the tops. I went through the closet first and pulled out every solid top that I could find. And I broke it down by what's actually comfortable, what still fits, what is in pretty good shape. Then I decided that I'll stick with just neutrals. Looking at our guide, I ended up with just these final pieces. This is what I got so far. A nice cream white tee, my long hanger, another white tee that was just straight white. I liked it because it was cropped in V-neck. The bodysuit, white one, black one that was sleeveless, another sleeveless green. This is more of a neutral color, the cream, and the brown. As you can see, I haven't put on any long sleeve shirts because that was where the first hole in my wardrobe appeared. I had no long sleeve shirts. Some other tops, couple button ups, this all white one because it was cropped, so open hem. Then I kept it really basic with just a straight up and down white button up. Every basic wardrobe must have. This was my blue and white striped version. Instead, I just used this blue one because this is what I had. Nice lacy top. I always think a sheer top is needed for when you want to dress up. Last couple top, a crew neck, brown, nice neutral color, and this little cardigan that I felt like I can do a lot of things with this. Next up, bottom. Bottoms were the base of all of my outfits. I started with the bottom and then I pulled out tops accordingly. When you're thinking about your bottoms, you think day to day, think functional. For me, bottoms need to be three things. Number one, they need to be comfortable. I just need to be able to breathe in them. I had to check for that first. Number two, they had to be well fitted. Did they look good on me? Did I feel good wearing them? Because you all know if you look good, you feel good. And number three, they had to be versatile. They had to be something that was general, that I can wear every day. These are your plain solid colors, not your showstoppers, your plaids, ooh, look at those pants. I started with a lot of the trousers first. Knew then that trousers and denim were the biggest holes in my wardrobe. After doing a couple try-ons, as you can see from a couple of videos that I'm sure I linked, I found a few. After scouring the internet, I finally found a few that were not just comfortable, but in a good price range and that were very versatile. I chose your basic colors, this navy pant from Zara. And by the way, did I say that anything I find I'll link below or link something similar, maybe some to my Amazon store where I may receive some commissions if you buy anything, or just anywhere else on the internet that I might find something similar. Black, wide, straight leg trouser, and then these two wide legs, one in a khaki color. I believe this one's from Urban Outfitters, and another one from Zara that's more of a wide leg oyster gray. We had the basic colors, black, gray, khaki, and brown. I meant to say black. Now, denim was a toss-up. I don't have any denim in this collection as far as pants because I didn't have the bandwidth to do a full-on denim review. But if you want me to do one, comment below and let me know, and I'll go ahead and get to search because I do need some new denim. And while you're there, go ahead and like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on those bell notifications so you first know when I post. And talk about skirts. I really love skirts, but I haven't worn them much lately over the past 2 or 3 years. I don't know if it's COVID, I don't know what it is. But this year, I was really trying to get back into wearing skirts a little bit more. Just want to give more of that feminine vibe. I picked a faux leather skirt that was pleated, this long denim maxi, and of course a nice black slip skirt. You know, all the fall staples for skirts that you need. Dresses are another wardrobe staple that I have also been neglecting the last few years. So I love a dress that's super versatile, that you can wear in multiple ways, that's well fitted. You know, sometimes, you know, hides that little bit of extra that we have right here. And I definitely found a couple in the closet already, whether it's dress it up, dress it down. It just makes you feel a little bit more feminine. So I had a couple of dresses here. This Skims-like dress, black short sleeve, more like a midi. A very long sleeveless maxi dress. It's so soft. My long sleeve knit that I haven't even worn yet. Shame, shame, shame. This dress is so cozy and I've tried it on several times in different outfits, just haven't actually worn it yet. And lastly, like a little short dress, little black dress that you need every once in a while with a little flare, just in case you need something for date night. Now, most of those dresses are older, but if I find any similar, I will link them down below. I also added some jumpsuits because a one-piece suit is sometimes easy. Sleeveless, old, actually thrifted from Anthropologie, wide leg jumpsuit. And then I have a little catsuit vibe. This is another another thrift house find. It's actually pretty funny when I found it. Now onto some vests and blazers. As you know, waistcoats were the hottest thing smoking this spring, summer, but I love the menswear aesthetic anyway, so I'm always looking through thrift stores, looking in the men's department to see what I can find. This gray striped waistcoat with the two different colors of cream pinstripes. Had to stick with the denim trend and throw in a denim waistcoat, denim vest, whatever you want to call it. And for some texture, some pop of color, this red leather waistcoat. This was also a thrift find. Blazers, blazers, blazers. Where do I start? They're a staple year round and extra pizzazz to an outfit. I stuck with the basic colors here, gray, khaki, and then two black blazers. Now, for one thing, I know the blazer trend has been more of a structured blazer, so I went for more of my ladies blazers and went ahead and didn't put any of my big oversized men blazers in the collection. I did add this Zara crop blazer simply because it's more of a boxy shape, and I would like to add to any outfit that I think needs a little bit more balance. Let's move on to the outerwear. This is what makes fall fashion so top tier, is the fall outerwear. Whether it's jeans and some sweats. Jeans and some sweats, really? Pick two cardigans. One, this long, beautiful brown one that I got from Zara, and I haven't worn it, and I love it. That rich brown, that long, dramatic look, perfect. Then I picked this creamsicle colored one that I just have not worn this, and I want to start wearing a little bit more. Next up is my faux leather jacket. This is what I use to dress up like sweatpants and sneakers, because I add this for a little bit more texture and to kind of elevate the outfit just a little. I really like the preppy varsity girl, schoolgirl aesthetic. So bombers are my thing. I probably have too many, but I picked up these two. They're two different styles. The colors, of course, I love this one because it's a nice suede brown. It is more boxy, more oversized. This was a Target find. If it's still there, I will link it for you in the men's section. Then I picked this one. It's cropped, but I really like that taupe color for fall because that can easily be a neutral. Denim jackets have always been on trend, off trend, on trend, off trend, but staples everyone has. Pick these two. One, because this one is cropped. I like the color, but I do like the fact that it is cropped as well as a little distressed. Then I picked my old faithful here that I've had forever. I love this blue denim wash color. It's really hard to find in jeans too because they sell out so fast. A little moto jacket, you know. This one has gold hardware, which I like. So I'm really looking for one that has the more structured sleeves and that has the matte black hardware. That's really what I'm looking for. But this is what we found. This is what we have. So we're gonna wear what we have. The classic puffer vest. Everyone's seen one. I've had this one forever from Express. It's probably at least 8 years old. It's brown. The hood is removable. My love. One of my many trench coats. I remember in high school, I had a teacher who always wore these long trench coats. They were all different colors. She had the big hair. She had big glasses. She wore the big earrings. And she dressed so nice, but she always had on a trench coat. And that was when I first kind of fell in love with trench coat styling. And since then, I've always been drawn to it. So definitely a trench coat. This one is a midi. It's from Express. It is super old, but again, if I could find anything similar, I will definitely link it below or under my Amazon storefront under Capsule Wardrobe Essentials. This capsule wardrobe originally started with 60 pieces, but I learned a few things along the way that we will talk about in a minute. But first, let's see exactly how many outfits I created.
Should
I made over 60 outfits with just the final number of 44 pieces. Now, what did I learn along the way? Y'all gonna have to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications so that you'll be first to know when I answer that question in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging through all the way to the end. Don't forget to comment what you thought about the capsule wardrobe, if you're doing a capsule wardrobe, how you like the outfits, and if you need some help with the capsule wardrobe, because I can help you out with that. I'm actually able to build capsule wardrobes for you guys now, so let me know if that's something that you're interested in by commenting below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with a friend and a friend and a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Woo.